going to school.
We are going to school. It's real. We're juniors.
But Christian's not gonna be there.
Vlogging about me on my phone. I'm so embarrassed. I literally set off the alarm downstairs because you can't walk to the first floor before 7 a.m. on weekdays, and my dumb self walked down there at 6:45 trying to get an iron, and then the alarm just started blaring and it was so loud and I felt so bad. And they don't know it was me, so now they're gonna like talk about it at breakfast, like, guys, the alarm went off, and I'll be like, that was me.
Hey guys, wait, I'm gonna jump in the shower for like 30 seconds.
Good morning. It's the morning at school now.
So first day of real classes.
We're going to school.
We are going to school. It's real. We're juniors.
But Christian's not gonna be there.
College here we come.
Oh yeah, future leaders of the world.
Don't remind us.
Do you see his face?
Ethical.
That's so funny. Guys, my advisor's not going to be here today. I'm so sad about it. He has family issues. Monavy's laughing at me.
Sorry.
What are you wearing? That looks cute.
This is how these jeans are from Melrose. I have to go pick them up then.
Alright.
No.
She has to go get naked and put them on. Okay. So, So, we went on a Target run yesterday, right? And I was getting like my school supplies. I got some like organizational things. And while I was in line, while I was like walking to the checkout, I like saw the beauty section. I was like, okay, let me buy an eyebrow pencil real quick. Because, fun fact about me, I can't do my eyebrows unless I get them done beforehand, because my eyebrows are like so thick and crazy that unless I get my eyebrows done okay, as I was saying, unless I get my eyebrows done and like thin them a little bit, I can't like try to fill them in, because or else they'll look like squirrels on my face. So I got my eyebrows done right before coming here, and I also got a slit in my eyebrow. So I got my eyebrows done right before coming here, and I was like, okay, I want to like buy some eyebrow stuff because I want to try to like practice doing my eyebrows. So I was just like, okay, let me just buy this like cheap drugstore eyebrow pencil from CoverGirl, but I didn't see how much it was. Why did I get to the checkout counter and it was $6? I'm just like this is what it looks like. Like, wait, is it focusing? Focus. Okay, well, it looks like this, and it's just cheap little CoverGirl eyebrow pencil. It's not even focusing on it. But I'm so sick about it, and it kind of, let's see, did it? At least what my eyebrows look like. And then I left my concealer at home, so I didn't have time to, well, I didn't have any concealer to kind of sharpen them and, you know, make them look all neat with concealer. So this is what we're working with today. Also, I literally broke 2 nails yesterday. How do I focus on my nails? How do I focus it?
What are you trying to focus on?
My nails.
Okay, focus it.
Okay, I literally broke 2 nails yesterday falling up the stairs. I broke this one, and then this one literally came off, and I'm taping it together.
This is the most ghetto I've ever seen in my life.
I am so sad about it. They're gonna think you just lay in the bed all day.
Let them think what they want.
Okay, guys, so I just came back from the gym. That was so cringy. I'm so sorry for that. I have a gym membership, and I am trying to be a skinny legend, but also a very muscular legend. So I'm going to the gym every day.
Hi!
It's probably
I
really
sat in
ugly.
bed and ate Cheetos instead of running because I didn't like the weather.
Low-key, it's like starting to rain, but we already got homework. Like, what the crap? How was your first day, Monami?
I had an excellent first day.
I had a good first day. I was low-key tired, and we don't even get out of school until like 5. So, yeah. But I was tired. But I only had 2 classes today. I had physics and then a push. So, that was good. At physics, I don't know. Let me see how that goes. But like U.S. history, that's kind of like, I'm a history buff, okay? I like history. So we'll see. And now we're about to eat dinner. And I also had a study hall, so I basically edited all the footage I had up to this point, or like up to like after we filmed again. So, yeah. Oh, there's a freaking lens cap on. I'm so stupid.
I know it's all in my